Okay, so here's how you're going to use the simulator. Okay, so when you are setting up your circuit in series, okay, that means there's just going to be one path on which the charges can travel. Okay, remember, if you want to change the battery voltage, okay, you can go here. Okay, and if you want to change the resistance, you can go here. All right, my recommendation is for this activity that you just keep all the resistances equal in everything. Okay, so just make all the resistors 10 when you add more. Okay, all right, if you want to measure the current, okay, there's a couple different ways to do that. The best way is to use this ammeter that we've been using. Read the current right off of there. Okay, don't use this blue ammeter, okay, because it doesn't, you won't probably hook it in right. Okay, so just X, don't use that one. Okay, so that's how you'll measure the current. All right, and then if you want to measure the voltage drop, okay, there's a couple ways to do that. You can either look at these circles. So see 0 on the bottom of the battery, 10 on the top. That's a voltage increase of 10, right? Because the battery is giving energy to the charges. And then the drop across this resistor is 10, okay? Right? Because remember, it has to dump out all of its energy when it gets back, okay? If you want to use this voltmeter, you can also put these around the resistor, okay, or around the battery, okay? And it might read negative. See, if I put it the other way, it'll read negative. So it doesn't really matter, right? Just, you know, think absolute value, okay? So that's a drop of 10, all right? So in series, when you want to add more, oops, how do I do that? Okay, right? Instead of that, I'll just add in another resistor, okay, for a second one, and then I can read my current, okay, and then I can also read the voltages across there, okay, or across here. And you see, I can also just look at the numbers in these circles to see the voltage drop, okay? So add, you know, a couple, 2 or 3 resistors, because you're trying to figure out what happens to the current, okay, and then what happens to the voltage, okay? And if you want to add more ammeters, okay, you can definitely add more ammeters, okay, like this, right, just to see. Okay, so that is how you will do it in series. Okay, let me see if I want to make 2 different videos. Where's this at? Yeah, okay. Let me make 2 different videos. So this is how you're going to measure everything in series. So how do I stop?